What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making honey jalapeno chicken. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need boneless, skinless chicken thighs, jalapenos, yellow onion, green onion, garlic, brown sugar, cornstarch, soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and crushed red pepper. Begin by slicing 2 jalapenos. Chop 4 stalks of green onion. Dice a half a yellow onion. Mince 6 cloves of garlic. Cube 5 to 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Season the chicken with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Add 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Mix until evenly coated. For the sauce, combine 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, minced garlic, and crushed red pepper. Fry the chicken for 4 minutes or until golden. Remove majority of the oil, and in the same pan, saute yellow onion, green onion, and jalapenos for 5 minutes or until translucent. Add the chicken. Add the sauce and cook for about 5 minutes or until it thickens. And there you have it, honey jalapeno chicken. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.